I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app is current and your device has basic security updates. Newer builds fix private mode leaks. Once done, open your browser and choose New Incognito or Private Window. That action isolates local history and cookies. You should also disable sync or sign out of Google or browser accounts so tabs won't be linked to cloud history. These steps keep local data compartmentalized and prevent immediate cross-device traceability while you continue configuring privacy controls. Next, focus on the controls that change how sites track you. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and block third-party cookies and trackers. That cuts fingerprinting and cross-site profile building. Make sure location, camera, and mic permissions are off for the session. Private mode doesn't auto-revoke those. Also, switch your default search to a privacy engine. This reduces search logging. Once you finish, test by opening a few sites and checking site settings to confirm trackers and permissions are blocked. To finish, close every private tab and clear browsing data if needed. Private mode removes local history, but explicit clearing is safer. Consider running a VPN to hide network metadata from your ISP, together with private tabs that limits both local and network traces. If something goes wrong, for example, private tabs reappear or data syncs unexpectedly, disable browser sync immediately, sign out of accounts, and if necessary, clear app data or reinstall the browser. That usually resolves sync and persistence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.